Hello, in this video, I will show how to add a checkbox in a Word document. Let's start. First of all, we need to enable the developer option. If it is not enabled, click on the File, More, and Options. Click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, you can see a developer option. Enable it, and click on OK. Here, you can see the developer options at the top ribbon. Click on it, and where you can see a checkbox option, click on it. You can see a checkbox is added, but it is showing cross. To change the check symbols, click on Properties. Click on Change. Select Wingdings and Fonts. Scroll up to the bottom. Select the tick option, or you can select any symbols you want. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.